Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you an easy trick for installing anything with a template. This is an extremely useful life hack, so let's get right into the video. If you have a power bar like this and you look on the back and you want to mount it to a wall or a table or a desktop or anything like that, you're going to notice that there are these little holes that you have to follow as a guide. And it's hard to replicate these marks on your wall. There are many different things that people have tried and they usually don't work out too well. Even when it comes to mounting a picture with multiple hooks on it, it's really difficult to get the exact placement from the picture or the unit onto the wall. I'm going to show you a super easy trick that you can use to mount anything that is similar to this with a template, okay? So what you want to do is just get some tape. Now this is just painter's tape. You can use really any kind of tape that you have on hand as long as you can draw or mark on the tape, okay? You want to get tape, and if you have one piece of tape that will cover the entire unit, then that's fantastic. But you can also use thinner tape like this and just use multiple pieces of tape. So what you're going to do is take the tape and you want to mount it on the unit where those holes are. So I'm going to just place one piece of tape right here. Make sure it's mounted really nicely so that it's not going to move, but make sure you make it to be too long so you can easily peel it off after, okay? And then you can use your second piece of tape, if you're using thinner tape like me, to just go overlap the first piece and cover up the rest of the area. So right now, what we have here is we have our tape on top of there. And I'm going to use a third piece because as you can see right there, I didn't overlap, I didn't let it hang off enough. So no problem, we'll use another piece. It's really not a big deal, okay? So remember, this is the lowest piece over here at the top. So I have to peel this one off to get all three pieces off at once. Now you want to use your fingers to figure out where those holes are, okay? So you want to get a marker or a pen and just make a little mark wherever you would have to actually mount the screw. So there's one hole right there with that mark, and I can feel, and I make the indent right here, I can feel that this is the other hole, and I can see it as well. Now all that I need to do is take off the tape. Like I said, take off your lowest piece so it comes off all as one, okay? And we have a template. Now I can go over to the wall and I can place this on the wall, and then I can actually use it to put my screws in the appropriate places on the wall. So let's walk over here. Here's a wall. Let's say I wanted to mount it right over here. I would take my tape and I would make sure it's nice and level. I would place it against the wall, and now I know where to drill my holes for my screws. And I put the screws there, and that's going to be the exact placement of whatever I need to mount. So I'm not guessing, and I'm not, putting the screws on an angle because they weren't exactly precise. They're going to be exactly where they need to be, just like that. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.